So our Jeep is right now elevated. I'm gonna change the lower arms on it. 1 second. There is a P-51 Mustang flying above my house. You're gonna see it in a second, hopefully. There he is. P-51 Mustang. Let's go to our video. Okay, so what we're doing today, we are doing those lower arms on the Jeep. The reason I'm showing this video is because when I was trying to do research about how to do that, I could not find anything. Everything that was available when you type front JK lower arm, showing people doing the rear. So I want to show all the problems that you might have, and mine are bent. One of them is bented in a very bad way, so I'm gonna take it out and I'm gonna put a different one instead. Let's start. The tool we need is a 21 socket. You want two of them so you can support it and actually close and open at the same time. You know, one on the front, one on the back, and then you're gonna remove it faster if you don't have the pneumatic tool. Let me show you guys what else we need. You need like a rubber mallet so you can punch it if it's getting stuck. Let me show you how bad is the one that I'm going to remove, and I want to show something before. So when the factory making those, it looks like they're just taking a straight piece of metal and bending it, and I'm gonna show you on the other side what happened when you hit something. What they're doing, they're creating this bend over here. It's kind of hard to see, but as soon as something hit it, it will just bend over there completely. So let's fix this. We're gonna start with this one. So I already spray here WD-40. I'm gonna put one tool on it and another tool on the other side and kind of resist one another to open it a little bit faster. Okay, so this is right now is out. We're gonna clean it and grease it before we put it back. Now this still need to come out, and you have to kind of screw it in. Can I get a hammer? Now this is bent pretty bad, so it's putting a lot of pressure on it. So we'll see what we're gonna do. I think that it probably will be wise for me to remove the other side, but let's see. Yeah, it's under a lot of pressure, so it's not gonna move. So I'm gonna move this one over here, this one over there. Let's put some light so it will be easier for you guys to see on the video. Problem is to reach it. Adjustable tool. I need like an adjustable wrench in order to get in there. You're gonna need one of those just to give some support, because this one is sitting right near a pipe over here, and they close pretty hard. Let's see, you need to put some weight on it. Yeah, this one is closed pretty strong. Let's try it from this side. Okay. Alright, lift it up there. Now it will be easier. I'm just gonna show real quick what I'm doing. There's two tools right here and one over there. This is very important to get the bolt. I'm gonna shove this one first and then I can relieve the pressure from here. Okay, now we remove the screw. We have to punch it down. That's it. Now it will be easier to remove the rest of it. Hopefully, yeah, it should just pop out. Right there. And it's raining. Sunny California raining. Since I got my Jeep project, it did not stop raining for one day. Okay, I have to stop and show you that. It's like the Donald Duck cloud that go only where he is. It's raining under the trees, under the roof where I'm working on my car. Do you guys believe this? Look, the sky is kind of clear, but there is one cloud above me. How could it be? What's going on here? Look. Okay, I'm back. So now, after you release one, the other one should just pop out easily. I want to compare them real quick with the original one. We're just gonna put the bolt back so it's not gonna disappear on us. I put it here under the wheel, and let's see. So this is pretty dinged out and it jumped to place right away. Let's stop the video and show you guys the crooked part. Okay, so here's the two parts. This is the part that we currently took out from the Jeep. They have this small bend that the factory do. What they do, they will take a straight pipe, it's not a pipe, it's a square, and just bang it a little bit. The problem is that this is a weak spot, and this what happens as soon as you hit something. This part poorly made. Instead of it, we're going to put this part right now that it's powder coated. It's have the nipple over here to put grease in it. It should move much smoother and also going to look nicer. If you want to compare the length, it's kind of hard because this is bent, but they should be the same length. Anyway, let's go put it in and see how it looks. We're going to put the new one in. After we grease them, you have to grease those pieces. This is gonna go first here. Let's hope it's gonna fit. No, you need to push it a little bit. Yeah, this one was bent, so it's not getting in easily. I'm gonna have to punch it from the bottom over here. Okay, it's almost there. Yeah, it did not fit really good. We're gonna do it again. So now the eye is almost fitting, but it still needs to move. So if you move it up, it's going. If you move it down, it will fit better. So I need to figure that out. Okay, so this is gonna work. It. So this one is sitting, so what we need to do is put the bolt from one side to another. Hopefully it's gonna fit in the right direction. Let's see. Not yet. Yeah, it's still not fitting good. Need to get pushed a little bit more. I think that this is pretty good. I'm gonna go to the other side to check. Okay, so the bolt is in, and all left to do is to actually close it back. Now this is supposed to be 125 pound torque. My torque wrench not really working right now, so I'm gonna go later and retorque it. I just don't have the right adapter. It's moving great, and I want to bend it a little bit sideways just so it can fit to the next one. Now the next one right here, I can already tell you this is going to be a challenge to put in. I never did this before, so I'm going to try to see if I can just torque it toward there. Okay, there it is. It's going to fit. You have to use a lot of elbow grease and a hammer. Okay, so now it seems to be that the entire wheel axle is a little bit far out, so it's mean that I'm missing a 1/4 inch here. So this entire system need to go out a little bit. I have to figure out how to do that. Usually if you lift this out, it will extend it, so I'm gonna put my jack and try to lift it up a little bit. So by jacking up this thing, this align perfectly. All I need to do is put the screw in that it disappear on me, like, because there's a ghost that's stealing everything here. Ghost, can I get my screws? And then this, I'm gonna go from here to the other side, and we bolt it, and we're done. To put this one in, you need to use a drill because it's have to screw it in. I know why you're asking yourself why I did not use this before. It's a little bit hard in angle, but now it's done. This is how you do that, and you can do the other side exactly the same. And this is with Jeep Wrangler, JK, Sport, Ultimate, only all of them, Rubicon, it's all the same. This is how you change the lower arm. This is Eric, RC Monster Garage. We're showing this video because if you do that on the RC, you can do that on a bigger car. See you and goodbye.